Samsung is stepping up its game in the foldable phone market, and this time it's going lighter, thinner, and more durable than ever before. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Samsung's upcoming Trifold phone are rumored to feature titanium in their design, marking a major shift in the materials used in foldables. Samsung has been facing tough competition from Chinese brands, especially when it comes to book-style foldables. Many of these devices are thinner, pack bigger batteries, and offer faster charging compared to the Galaxy Z Fold series. While Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition was an improvement in terms of thickness and camera quality, it still lagged behind its Chinese rivals in overall design efficiency. That could change with the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to a recent report from the ELEC, Samsung is planning to use titanium in the backplate of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and its first-ever Trifold phone. These devices are expected to be launched in the second half of the year, and this change in materials could be a game-changer. So what exactly does this mean for the Fold 7? To understand the impact, we need to take a quick look at the evolution of the backplate in Samsung's foldables. The backplate is the component that sits between the hinge and the foldable panel, offering critical support and stability. In the original Galaxy Fold and Galaxy Z Fold 2, Samsung used stainless steel for this part. Then, with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, they switched to carbon fiber, a much lighter material that remained in use through to the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. That's when titanium made its first appearance in a Samsung foldable. Now, Samsung is reportedly going all in on titanium for both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Trifold. And this decision isn't just about making the phones more premium, it's about solving a few key challenges in foldable phone design. Titanium is known for being lightweight yet incredibly strong, which means Samsung can make the Z Fold 7 thinner without compromising durability. That's a big deal because the biggest criticism of foldable phones so far, especially from Samsung, has been their bulkiness. A thinner design means the phone will feel more like a regular smartphone when folded and less like a mini tablet in your pocket. But that's not the only move Samsung is making to reduce thickness. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is also not expected to feature an S Pen digitizer. Removing this component makes the phone thinner and lighter, and while that might sound like a downgrade, Samsung has a plan. The company is reportedly working on a new OLED panel technology that can support stylus input without needing a digitizer. This technology is being developed in partnership with HiDeep, and it could completely change how Samsung supports the S Pen in future foldables. Instead of building the digitizer into the screen, the stylus itself could carry the tech, similar to what Apple does with its Apple Pencil, which has a built-in battery to detect tip position. If Samsung successfully implements this digitizer-free stylus technology, it could bring back S Pen functionality in an even thinner form factor in the future. However, it's still unclear when this technology will be ready for commercial release, so the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be the first step in this transition. As for the Trifold phone, not much is confirmed yet, but the use of titanium strongly suggests that Samsung is serious about making its first Trifold device both practical and durable. Trifold phones are much more complex in terms of hinge design and screen protection, so using titanium in the backplate could help address those challenges while keeping the device lightweight and sleek. So to summarize, Samsung is taking a bold step with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and its upcoming Trifold device. By switching to titanium backplates, removing the S Pen digitizer, and exploring new stylus technology, the company is aiming to produce its thinnest and most advanced foldables yet. And if all goes according to plan, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could very well become the world's thinnest foldable phone, a title that would help Samsung reclaim its leadership position in the foldable market. More details about specs and features will likely be revealed in the coming months, but one thing's clear: Samsung is not just refining the foldable, it's re-engineering it. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch.